Good morning, everyone, and welcome to my wacky weekend video for this weekend. So, today we are about to take on mathematics. As you may not all know, I'm a registered professional electronics engineer hired by the Philippines Professional Regulations Commission. I am a licensed engineer since 2013. And today we will be doing mathematics on this video. The questions are presented to Schooled. So Schooled is a internet game show hosted by a streamer called Miss Skiff. The subjects are science, math, social studies under the course of grades K to 12. And then we're gonna primarily focus here on mathematics, and apparently we're gonna show the solutions of each math questions on this show. So, without further ado, we are now going to our first math question. So we're gonna go through the video and we're gonna look for a math question that is presented here on the game show, and we're going to answer it. We're gonna show our solutions and we're gonna see if we still got it. So I haven't practiced engineering for a long time, and to be honest, truth be told, my six-sided shape is, truth be told, my profession. I am an IT by profession. So, first math question, what is the name of a six-sided shape? So, it's definitive math. That's a hexagon. If you study geometry, one guy got it wrong. That's not good, okay? How is that? How did he got it wrong? That's kindergarten. Okay. So, how long till we get a decent math question? Let's see, let's skip over to... Okay, 21 plus 48. This is very simple arithmetic. So, if we're gonna see it, 21 plus 48. If you're familiar, you do this. This is the... my mouse just hang up. 48. So it's 69. Actually, I did it wrong. You should add the ones first. So 1 plus 8 is 9. 2 plus 4 is 6. So the answer is 69. Let's see what they answered.
I'm letting you know, 100%. What did everyone put down? Will Master Yoshi be off the stage? The first person. The answer is 69. Everyone.
So that was a very good mathematics question. So we need to skip towards... We need to skip some of the questions. We're gonna look for decent math questions all throughout OTK school. Okay. What is 365 rounded to the nearest tenth? Okay. If my understanding is correct, let's see, 365. There. This is the ones. This is the tens. This is the hundreds. So, by rule of nearest tens, by rounding up, if it's 5 or above, you increment the tens digit by 1. So the answer should be 370. Am I right? Let's see.
But I don't know if this is a trick question.
It's a trick out idiots like you, Harrison.
I just can't decide.
Numbers aren't even real. You ever seen a number in real life?
Rounded to the nearest
Not
10.
once. No. This one
both fail, so I was DMing him the answer.
There are too many chatter.
Espen
Let's
at
see.
2Fs.
Yeah.
Can they
Cheating.
No, that-
I was DMing him the answer. I googled it.
Say
Miz.
Tommy,
Am I?
on the
You-
clock. Houston.
Hello?
Tommy.
Miz. Am I allowed? I get my room back when to both balls, so I was DM cheating. He's
No, that's-
cheating.
Well, we have the bottom three.
Okay, so they did not show the answer. The answer is 370. I'm pretty sure it's 370. Okay, I apologize for that.
Means this is where a lot of you guys are going to lose. Are you guys ready? 1,000 grams is equal to 1 unit of measurement.
Okay, this one is more. I'm gonna explain why in a bit. So we have a exponential notation on measurements. Like 10 to the 10 raised to 2 is centi, 10 raised to 3 is kilo. So 10 raised to 3 is 1000. So let me get there. 10 raised to 3 is 1000. 10 raised to 2 is centi. And 10 raised to 1 is just the basic unit of measurement. Or it means just 10. Okay. So what about 1000 grams? 1000 grams is 1. You do it like this to analyze. Then you put the multiplication symbol and then count the zeros. 1, 2, 3. So you had 3 zeros. That is equal to 10 raised to 3. So that's 1 times 10 raised to 3 grams. You get it? So by virtue of the measurement of the exponential notation, 10 raised to 3 is kilo. This is equal to 1 kilogram. So 1 kilo, this is the kilo, and then gram. So let's play the video and find out.
You definitely should know this.
I got an
Made
answer.
it to New Year. Happy New Year.
But I don't.
Let's see. Maybe it's answered here. We were.
In its standard notation.
5 times.
What is the name of a six-sided
So they're just
shape?
recapping.
Oh, fuck. Master Yoshi. That's fine, it's fine. Whatever keeps them up here.
Okay, I think they're gonna answer it here.
This question. What do you think 365 is?
370.
Yes, that is the answer.
Yep, I agree.
And then immediately.
370. So the previous answer was correct.
Sid.
Oh no, am I stupid?
Yes.
How about the last math
Was accurate
question?
and completely.
See what they put? Exclamation.
They are.
Really?
Yes.
I thought it was like a.
Put your hands up.
Do I fail?
8.
Jupiter, Saturn, ampersands, you are anus.
But dude, he drew the 6.
Okay, we're gonna look at the answer for 1000 grams. I'm pretty sure it's 1 kilogram.
I don't understand.
Alright, that's my hand was 1,000 grams. We are at 0 seconds. I tried to help as much as I could.
I think you made it worse. I think you confused me.
The answers that everyone put is Sid eliminated. Espen looks confident.
Yeah, I'm out.
Kilogram. Correct.
Because I was listening to you babble and write nonsense on your screen, and then the time came up, and then I was stressed, and
The answer was kilogram. I tried to give you help with gram.
all you
A
did was
gram
take up my
equal to
time.
a milliliter of water.
Tubbo, isn't it like your unit of...
So our analysis is correct. It's a kilogram or 1 kilogram. Okay. Let's go to more math questions. Fourth grade math. What is 11 times 19? Okay, 11 times 19. When you're multiplying numbers by 11, there is a shortcut. Okay. The shortcut is... Are you ready for the shortcut? Yes. Okay. First up, you split 19 into 2. 1, 9. You got it? 1, 9. Then you add 1 and 9. So 1 plus 9 is 10. So you put the sum here and you also include the carry. So 1 plus 1, 2. The answer to the question 11 times 19 is 209. $209 is the final answer. So the shortcut for multiplying numbers by 11 is you split the, I don't know what you call this, the multiplicand. Okay, you split it into 2, 1, 9, and then you add the two digits, 1 plus 9, including the carry. So you got 209. So let's see the answer.
It's on the clock.
One second. I just wait. You're stressing me out. It's.
Let's find out what the answer is. What the fuck? Judy
Yep.
wrote hieroglyphics.
What?
But she got the answer correct.
Oh
It is
my God.
209. Congratulations, Judy Cinderella. You move on as the goal 200.
Yes. So that short is correct. You can use it in your quiz, guys. Okay, let's see more math questions, shall we? I'm sorry if I saw the answers on that.
Let's see.
Okay, if you have 104 cookies and have to give an equal amount to 8 people, how many cookies would you give to each person? This is more algebraic. So we kind of big on the answer. It's 13. So how do you get 13? So you have 104 cookies, and you have to give an equal amount to 8 people. So per people, so 104 cookies to 8 people, you're gonna compute for 1 cookie per people, right? Am I getting this? 104 cookies. And you're gonna do it 1 over 8. Therefore, you have a unit cookie per people. So 104 divided by 8 is, let me enlarge this so we can have a proper long division. 104 divided by 8 . Okay, so long division. Basically, you will have to memorize your multiplication because division and multiplications are like cousin, right? So 10 divided by 8, or how many 8s are there in 10? The next value of 8 is the next multiple of 8 is 16. So 16 goes over 10. Therefore, you have 1 8 in 10. So what you're gonna do? 1 times 8, 8, and then you subtract it. 10 minus 8 is 2, and you drop down 4. (24) divided by 8. So is there a multiple of 8 that is exactly that when you is there a number in the multiples of 8 that when you multiply it to 8 you yield 24? So 8 times 1 is 8. 8 times 2 is 16. 8 times 3, 24. 3 times 8, 24. And 0. Okay. So you have no more. The answer is 13. Math is such a is such the perfect science. Okay.
See if we have our first ever valedictorian, Judy Cinderella, putting 13.
I wish
Alinity,
you could have seen all my work.
13 with all of her work. You both are correct. Congratulations. You guys have moved on to the 6th grade, which means both you guys get 20 gifted subs. And if you make it up there, which I highly doubt you will, you get to 100 gifted subs. We're going to have a new syllabus. Welcome everybody to middle school. You guys have made it. Middle school will cover 6th to 8th grade, where we'll be learning about social studies, math, and science. You'll have 2 minutes to answer each question instead of 1 minute. So, 6th grade. How is 5 times 10 to the 4?
Okay, we got this scientific notation 5 times 10 to the negative 4. We want it to be written in standard notation. What is standard notation? It's how you basically write a number. So 5 times 10 to the negative 4. The way is that if the exponent, this part is called the exponent, is negative, you go left. And when this part is positive, you go right. So for 5, the exponent is here, right? So you move 4 digits right. 2, 3, 4. Since we've moved the decimal 4 places left, I'm sorry if I said right, 4 places left, we will disregard any leading zeros after 5. So we're gonna cancel that. The answer is 0.005. What is the answer here?
Negative 4th written in standard notation.
5 times.
I don't know if I got this right.
Yes, it's smart.
Class that I ever got an F in.
I can. You got it right! Judy Cinderella, you are a
0.005. So we got the correct answer.
Alinity, you are the valedictorian of the first episode.
And there. That's it for Schooled episode 1. Those were basic math questions. I hope I managed to explain most of them. So, yeah. Thank you for watching. And good morning, everyone. As this is Engineer Harriet signing out.